Welcome to White House Fruit Farm. We are here at the Vineyards at Pine Lake with Chef David, and he is going to share with us one of the seasonal salads that is on the menu here at the tasting room. David, can you tell us what you've got going on?
We've been running about 4 years in a row during summertime. It's wildly popular. Mixed greens and strawberries, watermelon, feta cheese, candied pecans, a little red onion. Scream summertime, and it's been, like I said, wildly popular, and we're excited for strawberry season now.
Yes, I know this is a family favorite when we come. So if you're finding this on the menu, it is the strawberry watermelon salad.
Yes, and it's seasonal. It's just for a short time, which makes it special. We get closer to the colder months, and then we're going to change it up a little bit, but. Yes. Everybody enjoys it for the summer. Like I said, for the last four summer patio seasons, we've had strawberry watermelon salad.
And this is the time for strawberries. So strawberries are on in the market. We have pick your own going on. And strawberries is one of the things that you'll find in the chef basket here. You'll find all of the ingredients to make this salad. So one of the things that you top this with, can you tell us about the pecans?
Yeah, it's a technique that I wanted to show people. Can we just start?
Sure. Yeah, we can walk right through the process here.
Yeah,
So you top it with a candied pecan?
Yes.
Okay.
And these candied pecans, you can do, wasabi. It doesn't have to be. What this particular one is chipotle, cinnamon. Goes well with the cinnamon vinaigrette that's on the strawberry watermelon salad, but this is
so that's the magic potion, the chipotle cinnamon rub.
but like I said, it's the technique that's important, and if you get that down, what I'm about to show you, we'll take an egg white and just kind of separate the egg out. Some people dump it back and forth.
Yeah, I was going to say, you can tell you're the chef just running it through your fingers there to remove that white.
Yeah.
Or to get that white.
Right. But, we will do a little water to froth it. We're not going to make a meringue or anything. This is just some water. And what this does, how when eggs cook, they, congeal, and that's what we're doing with the seasonings. We're going to put additional sugar onto the nuts, and you just go.
So I'm just going to show that a little bit. So we've just got, if you can see there, some of the bubbles going. It's just a little airier texture there.
Yeah, you don't have to, like I said, you don't have to make a meringue or anything. And then just put the raw nuts. You don't have to toast them first. In fact, if you do toast them first, it'll cook the egg, So you want them cold. And then we'll put the magic in there. Like I said, it can be other things that if it's Super Bowl time and you want to, spice them up with something else. Even for water, you could use red hot, say, or sriracha, but you always want to have some sugar and some salt. Also, this is just granulated white sugar, and then we'll toss them together, and you can see that it'll coat. That water will evaporate. That's why we use such a small amount of water. And again, these will be on the website. Are we doing that? We're going to post the.
Yep. So the recipe is included in the basket, and the link to watch this video. So if you're watching this now, you've already purchased and you've got the link.
Yeah. So then we would we'll just take a pan. Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
No, you're good. Little aerosol there.
And then we would put them in the oven, about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and we stir them every 15 minutes. So they're not going to burn on you at 250 degrees. You can see that they're evenly coated and
look delicious.
Beautiful like that. Yeah.
Now, can you do this same technique with other nuts, not just pecans? Could
Absolutely.
I do it with walnuts or almonds?
Yeah, absolutely. But really, the egg whites are the key there, and you know, it's great for parties. You know, like I said, you have football season coming up, and
you know, customize it any way you want.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's something not so expensive anyway, but when you buy them, you know, already seasoned, they're that much more expensive. And if you just use this technique, then you can do your own, customize your own.
Yeah, that's perfect. And so that's one of the toppings on the salad. How did we start with the salad, and can you work us through what you did there?
Sure. Yeah, while those nuts, like I said, every 15 minutes, you're going to be, you know, stirring those around. And then you can, while those are going, it's going to go for an hour. And so you have an hour to cut up your watermelon, strawberries, get your greens ready, and obviously onions and the vinaigrette. So we're going to want to do the vinaigrette.
And I imagine this vinaigrette could be used for any salad that you wish also.
Absolutely. Especially in, you know, when we start getting into the fall, if you wanted to substitute it with some squash, you know, pumpkins, you know, of course that's squash, but
squash and apples, that would be good together.
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, this is but as vinaigrettes go, it is a standard oil last. You know, put all your ingredients in there.
Oh, so I didn't realize that. So that's the key to a vinaigrette, is that the oil is always last.
Yes.
Oh.
Well, you can, if you agitate it, some people will put it in a mason jar. You've seen that. That's the latest thing. As long as you're agitating, it will emulsify. But this way here, you know, we'll start with a little honey and then some sour apple cider vinegar. Some brown sugar. Vanilla extract. And again, all these amounts will be posted. That I put nutmeg and some kosher salt together, and cinnamon. It's actually quite a bit of cinnamon for the amount that we're doing. And then this is a little lime juice. The cinnamon actually has in itself thickening power.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's made from the bark of a tree, so it's fibrous. And whenever you add liquid to something that's that fibrous, it does an odd little thickening.
So it absorbs some of the moisture out of there, huh?
Yeah, well, it's not that it absorbs. Yeah, I mean, I guess, but it does absorb. It expands and makes it, you know,
nice and thick.
Absolutely.
It looks good.
All right, so we get it all mixed through nicely, and then we'll take the oil, and then you know, we just drizzle it in there a little bit at a time, and you can back it off.
And this recipe will make dressing for how many salads?
I would say 6.
Okay.
Some people like a lot of dressing, then you might only get 4 salads out of it, but you know, we're gonna do 6 people, I guess.
Yes.
On the average.
And you should have plenty of supplies in your chef basket to make multiple salads, so you can make that for your family that evening, or you can make it multiple times for yourself. The dressing, as you can see, will stay a bit. How long would you keep your dressing? I know it's always best to use things fresh, but if I need to stick it in my fridge or on my counter.
Yeah, you could keep it all season.
Oh, very good.
And I would keep it under refrigeration though.
Okay.
But it doesn't take long at all. It's just a couple of minutes, and you still have that shining here. I can show you. We'll get a different spoon there. It's the same consistency. It won't break on you. I think that's part of the little cool trick that cinnamon does. Is, helps that emulsification stay. So, yeah, we
Looks good.
we just put it all together and toss the. And the other nice thing is if your watermelon isn't quite ready yet. When will your watermelon come in?
We have watermelon now, and we'll have watermelon all season long.
Oh, nice.
All
Okay.
summer long, yes.
So if it's getting later, and maybe you're past watermelon time, if the watermelon isn't quite as ripe, the dressing will help with that, because of the sweetness. It'll bring it along so you can extend your fun a little more.
Nice. So if people were going to come to visit the tasting room, what hours can they do that?
They can come at 3 o'clock all through the week, and that's until our kitchen closes at 8:30. And then we stay open until 11 on Friday, and I'd say 11 on the Saturday, and we close a little early on Sunday, about 8 o'clock.
Very nice. Is your patio open all summer long then? During the week also, people can come and sit out on the patio, enjoy the fresh air and
Absolutely,
the
as long as
view.
it's not going to rain on you. But yeah, we have exciting things coming up. We do Uncork and Unwind, which is a picnic basket. People get to go out into the vines and spread a blanket out, and they get a cheese plate, meat and cheese board, and bring a few of their friends and just chill out on the hillside back there.
That's a unique opportunity to go right out into the vines and to sit with your family and enjoy the fruits of the vines there.
Yeah. And another little outdoorsy thing we're going to do is tents, the decorated tents. And again, these are all currently on our website and Facebook page. And those are exciting too. We're going to serve food in the tent, a little private party. And you can do bookings for those as well. We're doing one at the end of the month, and it's taken off pretty well, so look for more of those to come throughout the summer.
And you'll want to reserve that early, because that's a special thing also, to have your own private opportunity. And they're not just tents like you're camping. These are nice tents with rugs and seating areas. It's a fancy deal.
Yes, absolutely.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for being with us today.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
Come on out to White House Fruit Farm and get your chef basket here from the Vineyards at Pine Lake with Chef David. See you on the farm.